Shweta here. I missed you guys. So today's letter is T. Tick tock time, tick tock. With T, I will show you what is not to be done. With T, when you write this, there are people who will put the T mark here, just not bothered where their mark goes. So yes, with this mark, it shows that people are very impulsive, cannot plan things properly. And there are also people who will just not put the mark, only this. No, don't trust these people. They don't even have time to put a simple mark on their T. Why would you trust them with your time? So the perfect T would be, take this T, put a bar as above as possible, not ekdam top, but here somewhere. This shows that you've got high goals, you've got determination to achieve those goals. So this T, when you are actually doing a project which is not going well or anything you want to achieve, try making these T's in your page and you will actually see the difference. Now today I would also like to mention that I am showing you 2 to 3 variations in a letter. There can be hundreds of variation with hundreds of people. So if you find any other variation and you want to know what does it mean, you know where to DM me in my Instagram. See you later. Subscribe. Bye-bye.